Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make young radish kimchi. First, select the freshest young radishes you can find, ensuring their leaves are vibrant, green, and healthy. Next, clean them thoroughly, trimming any roots or damaged sections. Then, gently salt the radishes to help draw out excess water and soften their texture, preparing them for the next steps. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. You'll need essential ingredients such as fresh garlic, ginger, and Korean chili flakes. Prepare a simple glutinous rice flour paste, which acts as a binder and aids in the fermentation process. Finally, incorporate fish sauce and a touch of sugar to achieve a balanced and rich depth of flavor. With your radishes prepped and paste ready, it's time to combine them. Add the salted radishes to the kimchi paste in a large bowl. Gently mix all the ingredients by hand, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. Once mixed, carefully pack the kimchi into an airtight container, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top for expansion during fermentation. To begin fermentation, leave your kimchi at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. After this initial period, transfer it to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process and preserve its crispness. Young radish kimchi is versatile and can be enjoyed fresh or after a few days of refrigeration. Serve this delicious, crunchy kimchi as a side dish with any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.